New inventory, 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Braunability side entry, handicap wheelchair conversion. This is a companion van conversion with the lowered floor. It has dual power doors. It is a manual folding side entry ramp. Very easy, awesome setup. 38,000 original miles. This is a clean auto check. Clean title, no stories, no issues. Very, very nice van. We took it in trade on a brand new van. Super, super nice. A local van, no rust, nice tires. Beautiful condition inside and out, as you can see. Very nice. Clean history. Nice black interior, all in very nice shape. The carpet's nice. It's a non-smoker. It has tie downs that come with it. It does have the extra seatbelt and the extra seatbelt buckle as well. Very nice black cloth interior. No issues on the interiors. Very, very nice. For a 2014, this van shows beautifully. Again, this belonged to one of our customers here locally. They purchased a brand new van from us, and this was a trade-in. Super nice. Does have a backup camera. That is that little screen there you see on the dash. Nice sound system. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Very, very nice van. We checked and serviced this van when it came in. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We're happy to help at any time. We have been in business 47 years, about to be 48. It's what we do. We buy and sell handicap vans, wheelchair vans, new and used. We are a Braunability service center and dealer. We have new vans in stock always, used vans. We can order vans. If you have any needs for any hand controls, adaptive controls, seating options, we can handle anything. Just let us know. We're happy to help. You know where to find us, 954-561-2499. You can call or text us to that number. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. We ship anywhere in the world, and we do have financing options available. Just give us a call. We'll be happy to help you. Nice BF Goodrich tires. Van drives beautifully. As you can see, paint and body's nice. Does come with 2 keys, and you do have the owner's manuals as well. All the AC, heat, everything is working exactly the way it's supposed to. Again, this is a very, very nice van with 38,000 miles. Needs nothing at all. Ready to go. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Rear carpet and cargo areas in very nice shape. As you can see, the van is very nice. Again, this is what we do. We have the best vans in the world. We do our best at service. Does have a rear power liftgate as well. Super nice, clean van. Just couple little marks here on the back bumper. Tiny little chips, but that's it. Not much to see. One little tiny scratch there, but that's it. Trying to point out any flaws that I can find. No surprises with it. It's very nice. Don't hesitate to give us a call. Visit us on all the platforms. We're happy to help anybody. We accept any type of trade-ins. We'll be fair with you all the way through. We only have 5-star reviews. Feel free to give us a call anytime. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net, Boca Raton, Florida. We are the best in the world. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. If you need any service with your current van, feel free to stop in or give us a call. We'll be happy to assist you. We have the best techs in the world. All Braunability certified. Any handicap van certified. All adaptive controls. Thank you.